Anybody can talk, but successful leaders are communicating with impact. You know, you spend about 80% of your waking day in some form of communication, whether that's on the phone or talking face to face or making a presentation. We're always communicating. So let me share the impact process with you. It's an acronym, so it's really easy to remember. The I stands for the intention, the first step of the process. Every communication starts with a thought, right? Think before you speak. Yes, some of us just start talking. So I'm going to show you a couple techniques you can use to literally craft an intention that's going to drive your whole communication in 30 seconds. We're going to talk about the laser-focused intention template in the intention mode. And if you just left right now, but please don't, but if you did, and all you did was the first step, you'd be a better communicator. That's how powerful the intention step is. But we're all different. So if you're going to communicate, why should you just send one message to everybody? Personalize the message to the person. One-on-one conversations, emails, and if you're talking to groups, I'll give you my favorite question to ask before every presentation to help you identify the needs of that particular group. The P is to personalize the message.